Hi, it's Micky from The Modern Agent, and I'm here to give you a market update for the first quarter of 2021. While activity is up finally since the pandemic started last year, first quarter of 2021 is showing positive amounts of turnover. And what does that mean? Inventory has shrunk from 9,600 units from the height in October of 2020, now down to about 7,000 units as of late March 2021. Buyers are coming back, looking to take advantage of the continuously low interest rates, the amazingly low deals that you can find in the local New York City market, and a new government administration. People are feeling more positive and are looking past the pandemic and looking to take advantage of the deals that are available today. But what does that mean for the future? Well, the market is currently having a lot of inventory coming to market, and we hope that that is going to continue to meet supply. But if that does not, then you're going to start seeing a crunch on the inventory, which will then possibly increase in prices throughout the market. A lot of employees are expected to go back to work at the fall of 2021. They are expected to go back to their work in the offices. And what does that mean? That means that a lot of these people that have fled are going to be relocated back to New York City and have to go back into the office. They will need to secure a home by the summer or fall of 2021, and we do expect a tightening of the market. If you are a seller, this may be a great time to put your unit on the market, as now we're starting to see buyers back in the market. Bidding war is happening in Manhattan, which has been unheard of for the last several years. If you're a buyer, you better move fast because those deals may be going quickly. We saw during the pandemic a price cut of about 15% overall. I think that's going to be gone already or almost gone by this summer. The sales market is doing better. However, the rental market has been more affected. During the pandemic, there was a lot of inventory. We saw prices cut as much as 30% overall, and we are still continuing to see a abundance of inventory locally, and I don't think that's going to go anywhere for a while. So if you're a landlord or investor, you have to tighten up your belt and wait it out just a little bit longer. We are hoping that by the third quarter of this year that things will be much better, but it will really depend on how the corporations decide to put their people back to the office and how the government continues to roll out the vaccine and put the pandemic behind us. So we shall see, and hopefully we'll have much better news towards the second and third quarter this year. This is what some of the top news outlets have to say about the local New York City market. Forbes.com says it's alive. That's what we learned about the New York City real estate market during the first quarter of 2021. BrickUnderground.com says Manhattan sales showed the increase for the first time in 4 quarters. New York Post has to say the Manhattan real estate market is finally bouncing back. And New York Times says Manhattan sales market is poised for a revival, not a year after it collapsed. I hope you've enjoyed this market update, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.